Welcome to 4905 Riverplace Court in Wyndham Forest, just off the Knuckles Road corridor. I'm excited to show you this gorgeous home that is a 6-bedroom with 5.5 bath, or it could be a 7th bedroom, and 4,130 square feet. Come take a look with me. As you walk into an open floor plan, you have a formal office with beautiful executive built-ins. And as you walk into the formal dining room, there's beautiful trim, gorgeous chandelier, newly refinished hardwood floors all throughout the first floor. The open floor concept home has this extra large family room with ceiling fan, light, gas fireplace, all your bells and whistles, but the best part is that it opens up to this impressive kitchen that has been completely renovated. Better than new construction. You have Waterfall granite countertop, and you also have Quartz island, a huge, massive island furniture piece with storage that can be used in place of having a kitchen table. On the back of the house, there's also an extra large morning room that can be served as a second family room. Downstairs laundry has been updated as well with new flooring and shelving, perfect for a drop zone as you come in from the garage. The best part of this house as well is that it's handicap accessible and has a first floor bedroom with full bath with an awesome shower that has body sprays. It's like a spa. You also have a half bath so you don't have to disturb your guests. As you walk up the stairs onto the second floor, there are 5 more bedrooms on the second floor, including an extra large master suite with vaulted ceilings and gorgeous barn doors that open up into a sitting room that can serve as a second office, living room, or just a private space for you to hang out. Down the hallway, you have 4 other additional bedrooms, a hall bath with double vanity, and a Jack and Jill bath. So if you have a lot of kids, or you need more bedrooms or living rooms or space for your house, this is the house for you. There's also a spa bathroom with separate toilet, frameless glass shower, beautiful double vanity. It is a gorgeous bathroom. There's a fully finished third floor, complete with brand new carpeting and laminate floors that lead into a full bath. Awesome if you have an au pair, if you have a teenage kid, or you just need that extra room. So it could potentially be a 7th bedroom or a rec room. One of the best parts of this gorgeous brick home is that it backs up to the Chickahominy River, which you have views of the water, and it's an almost half-acre lot with a screened-in porch with dual entry and a beautiful aggregate patio. It's very serene and park-like and perfect for entertaining. And on to top that off, there's an extra large shed with electricity and AC. Thanks so much for visiting 4905 Riverplace Court here in Wyndham Forest. It is an absolutely stunning home, better than the new construction, with a perfect lot that's private, large, and ready for your family. Definitely visit today and schedule your showing.